This is how to create Payeer accounts. In this video, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process of how to open Payeer accounts from anywhere in the world. This is Payeer platform. Payeer is an electronic wallet. You can see your multi-currency Payeer account. You'll be able to send, exchange, or accept both fiat and cryptos on your personal account or website. This is when to create the account. Ensure you use the link below the description of this video to create your Payeer accounts from anywhere in the world. These are major cryptos that this platform supports: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dash, Tether, Ripples, Dogecoin, and so many others. You'll be able to use Payeer on your mobile phone for both iOS and Android. You can see you'll be able to do cryptos exchange, multi-currency account, instant payment and transfer, and there's no need to enter a password when you download Payeer apps on any of your devices. Please do me one big favor, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Why will you need Payeer Wallet? There are so many advantages of this platform. Payeer Wallet will help you to send money to anywhere without restrictions. You'll be able to deposit and pay for online businesses. You'll be able to buy goods and items from any digital stores and e-commerce websites with this digital wallet. And you'll be able to get paid by many microtask platforms, both websites and apps. After you must have done the job. For you to sign up, ensure you use the link below the description of this video. You get to this page, you click create account. You put in your email, you click create. A code will be sent to your email address. You input the code. After you must have inputted the code, you click create. You'll be able to open and create your Payeer account in less than a minute. It's very straightforward. As soon as you open your account, you get to this page. Ensure you save your secret code. You can write it on a booklet. Don't save it on your device because hackers can penetrate your device without your knowledge remotely. So the first thing to do is to ensure that you secure your platform by coming to your profile page. You click this gear, you click the profile, it brings you to this page. You click security, then you do the necessary two-factor authentication to secure your account. After you must have secured your account, you can now come inside this place to see how to use this platform. For you to add money, all you need to do is to click add, and there'll be another video that will show you through a fast way of adding money to this platform. But this video is about how to create and open your Payeer account. So this is where you add money, you choose the amount, you choose where your money is coming from. You have so many payment methods that you can use. You can also use your Payeer account number to receive funds from microtask platforms. Then you can transfer your money from this platform to other Payeer accounts, to different other platforms. You can transfer, you can exchange your money, and the account will be debited and your money will be transferred out. You can also do trade on this account. You'll be able to see current values of major cryptos online. If you have access to API for you to use on any platform of your choice, that's your own. So this is roughly how to create and open your Payeer account that will be most useful for you if you are the type that works online, doing microtask jobs on many platforms. I've done so many videos. You see the links below the description of this video of different platforms where you can work online and get payment through this platform. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. You'll be able to get to know whenever I publish my new video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.